I'd be glad to describe the clause requirements for ISO 13485 as they pertain to documentation and records. 4.2 Documentation Requirements. This clause emphasizes the importance of establishing and maintaining documented procedures to ensure the consistent and effective implementation of the Quality Management System, QMS. It outlines specific requirements for various types of documentation. 4.2.1 General. The organization must define the documents needed for its QMS, including the extent and level of detail. The documents need to be clear, concise, and up-to-date. A documented procedure for controlling documents, 4.2.4, shall be established to ensure their proper creation, approval, issuance, revision, and withdrawal. The organization needs to identify the documents that are essential for the operation of the QMS and ensure their availability at relevant workplaces. 4.2.2 Quality Manual. The Quality Manual serves as the overarching document for the QMS, providing an overall description of the organization's quality policies and procedures. It should encompass the scope of the QMS, documented quality policies and objectives, an outline of the QMS processes, a reference to the documented procedures within the QMS. 4.2.3 Medical Device File. For organizations involved in the design and development of medical devices, a medical device file is mandatory. This file shall contain documented information that demonstrates the design history, development process, and risk management activities for each medical device. The specific content requirements may vary based on the complexity and risk associated with the device. 4.2.4 Control of Documents. A documented procedure for controlling documents is crucial to maintain their accuracy, integrity, and accessibility. This procedure should address review and approval of documents before issuance, distribution, and retrieval of controlled documents, a control over amendments and revisions, including version control, identification of the current revision status of documents, prevention of the unintended use of obsolete documents, timely removal of obsolete documents from the workplace. 4.2.5 Control of Records. Similar to documents, the organization must establish a documented procedure for controlling records. Records are essentially the documented evidence of activities performed within the QMS. The control procedure should ensure identification of the records to be maintained, collection, indexing, filing, retrieval, storage, retention, and disposition of records, a protection of records from loss, damage, or unauthorized alteration, legibility and traceability of records. By adhering to these requirements, organizations demonstrate their commitment to a well-defined and controlled QMS environment for medical devices.